Welcome back, everybody. We're getting supper started this afternoon. We're making chicken tonight, potato salad, and collard greens. Sissy has become the tea maker, which I'm very happy about. She got them all in the jars a little while ago. We were letting them cool down. She made green tea, sweet tea, passion tea, and unsweet tea back there. I'm very happy that she likes making tea because I've been making tea my whole life. Not really my whole life, but it seems like my whole life. I'm very happy to pass that on to her. Where'd she go? She was right there. I'm gonna get the potatoes going for the potato salad. Then I'm gonna wash all these dishes up real quick. So we'll get these potatoes going. Then we'll get the collard greens started and all. I have some passion tea in here. This is a Christmas cup actually, but it's my favorite cup right now. I went outside earlier. It looked like we were about to have a downpour again, and y'all, that ground had just started trying to dry up. It's time for haircuts again, huh?
Yeah.
Haircut time gets here so quick.
Yeah, my hair is seriously the quickest hair that...
I think so. You and Tyler, their hair grows really fast. I only cut Manly's and Jonah's anymore though. Everybody else goes to somebody to get their hair cut because they like the little bit of the longer look now, you know? I'm not good at that look. Okay. Now the sun's coming out there. We need just a few days of straight sunshine to really, really clean things up out there. It is muddy everywhere.
It feels like in 100 years will still not be dry.
In 100 years?
Yeah. What if we grow up and then all of us will have to go outside?
Mm-hmm.
Even day.
Yeah? What are you gonna do when you grow up, Manny?
When I get a job?
Yeah.
I'm gonna work at a hotel.
I told him the other day, he said he was gonna work at a hotel. I said, own it, son. That's what you gotta do. You gotta own the hotel.
How much your hotel?
I don't, a lot.
Folks, we eat watermelon now. I'm just being honest with you.
So far, we've had 2 good ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we go through a lot of watermelon. I really believe this is a good
Oh,
one.
this one has seeds, Daddy.
Let's see here what we got.
Yeah, we gotta see if there's seeds in it. That's more healthier.
I should be an expert on watermelon now, but I'm not yet. It ain't as good as the other one was, but it's still good.
We can do it the other way we did. When
Yeah.
we went fishing.
Yeah. This is the best way to cut these watermelons, y'all. See how I'm doing this? You're welcome. I'm gonna tell you who showed me. My dear wife, because she loves me. Right, Mama?
Yeah. The kids like that cut, the triangle cuts, but I've shown y'all before how I flip it over and cut it where then you just pull out a piece, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But they like it the way you cut
How
it
do you
better.
do that?
I'll show you.
You flip it over, cut, 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 cut.
Where is that knife?
There's so many different ways you can cut a watermelon.
I made a turtle one time. Do you remember the turtle, Sissy?
Yeah.
So,
Out of a watermelon?
yeah. Cut it like this.
This is a good way of cutting it.
Yeah, but the kids,
Gives you a handle.
they want the traditional summer watermelon look with the way you do it. But
When
this
I was
way,
a kid, we didn't have all these cuts. We just took it like a half moon and dove in that thing. We had watermelon all over our cheek.
Oh
and
yeah, so you just do it like that.
we made it.
Then, see, you just...
Perfect. I don't know, I may like this better, y'all.
These are triple washed. Sometimes I still rinse them anyway, but not today.
These are the kind you want right here. They're already cut.
I actually like the leafy ones
Me
better.
too, baby. I gotta be honest. I love the leafy ones.
But
you know?
Walmart, actually even grocery stores sometimes don't have them if it's not, you know, New Year's time.
Yeah,
You just have to get what you can get.
that's right. But we'll take it, because trust me, we love these things. We're gonna put some bacon
Try to
grease in
grill it.
here.
Yeah, I got it right there. This will all cook down in a minute, you know, it won't be piled up like this.
Right.
It'll cook down. We need a little more bacon.
We need a little more bacon grease.
If I had fat back, I would use fat back. That's all we do.
Is that all the bacon grease we need, Mama?
Yeah, I think that's good. We'll make the potato salad. The chicken is starting to look good.
Smelling great. That hit me too, y'all.
Yeah.
I had to blunk when that. I had to blunk whenever that opened. You said you had to blunk out there when we was playing baseball.
Okay, we're making the potato salad. Put a little bit of butter in there. We're gonna put a little bit of sour cream. This is kind of like a baked potato salad. We're gonna put some mayonnaise and a little sour cream.
First time I had grape, I thought it was the very best.
You did? There's the mayonnaise. Here's the sour cream. Can you pass me the salt and pepper, Sissy?
Yeah.
Salt. Now we'll chop up some celery and an onion. Potato salad is another one of those things that we make different a lot of times. Sometimes we'll put some sweet cubes in there, sweet salad cubes, or relish. We've made a loaded baked potato salad before where we put cheese and bacon in there. Sometimes we put eggs in it. That's the way I used to make it all the time, was with the eggs in it. I think I'm just going to do half of this onion. But when I'm doing it like this, like a baked potato version with the sour cream, I don't put the eggs. I'll put some celery. So this one isn't the loaded baked potato kind with the cheese and bacon, but it's still a baked potato version, although we didn't bake the potatoes, but still. If you bake the potatoes, then you've really got a baked potato salad. That chicken is almost kind of smelling like a holiday. Sissy's going outside to come back in to smell the food cooking. Smells good? Manly did it too. You coming in from a hard day's work, Manny Mac? At your hotel you've been running? Okay, do we want to put anything else in here? Maybe a little... Oh, these paprika? Yeah. Does it need anything? Or it's good? It's good. Okay, there's the potato salad. Alright, the chicken's done. I checked the temperature in all of them, so now we're going to put some barbecue sauce on them and put them back in just long enough to warm up the barbecue sauce.